Let's cook some fish. So what's the one? What we're doing is some videos for Coles, and we're gonna make beautiful recipes.
Oh, yes.
And give people lots of tips and tricks to make them better cooks, I hope. Oh, wow. It's so good. Favourite cooking memory? I guess when I was a kid, I started cooking with my grannies. My granny from Yorkshire, Maudie, she made a fudge that was really delicious. I still remember running in and looking in the fridge to see if it was there, and if it wasn't, it meant we got to make it together. I've always been greedy and love to eat, and I still am. And now I cook with my kids. It's nice, that generational cooking. I used to come home from school and my mum would be making a roast leg of lamb, and I'd be like, oh yes, it's that day. It still makes me feel the same way. It's crazy. I love being a family man. I love being a dad. It's my favourite job in the world, and I spend a ton of time with my kids. I'm a big kid myself, so it's very easy. And I'm a bit naughty, and I think they like that. So if it rains, we go and jump in puddles, do all the things that you're probably not supposed to. All of those kind of things work, but you be in charge. You decide exactly what you want to put in there. The truth is you can put whatever you want in there.
So in the recipe it says pour some of that over it to glaze it.
Tracy is the most important lady in the house. She's in charge of all the food, so she's the food stylist to make sure that everything's there. The props, the food, the ingredients. She'll test the recipe to make sure that I haven't made any mistakes, to make sure it all works the way it's supposed to work. Believe me.
I'm glad I've got a mask on.
Don't laugh. Tracy and I have worked together for a long time. Don't you call me that. The thing I love most about being a chef is I get to cook for people and watch them enjoy it. You know, it's quite a nurturing thing being a chef. I think it's really fulfilling. Imagine if you got dropped in a hot pan. You'd do this too. You'd go, ouch! That might not even be in the recipe, but do it.
Sweet or savoury?
Sweet.
Beer or wine?
Oh, wine.
What's your life motto?
My life motto. That's big. It's a big question. It's probably something around honesty. Whatever you put in, you get back, and if you're honest and genuine, then everything will work itself out.
Caller or a texter?
Oh, I'm a caller. Oh, my wife's a texter. It drives me crazy. Sorry, Glenn. Stop asking me hard questions, guys. The reason you don't stir a caramel, how dark do you take your caramel sauce is done? I guess I'm saying caramel. Now I don't even know how I say it. Anyway, burnt bloody sugar. That's the Aussie way. Oh, how perfect does that look? If I wasn't a chef, I think I'd be a gardener. I actually applied for an apprenticeship as a gardener. Didn't get the job, and then I ended up as a chef. Little secret. I still love gardening. I like being outside. I grow veggies. Basil, wild rocket. I do love gardening. Guys, thank you so much. That was a whole lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed it too. Thanks for hanging out with me behind the scenes. See you guys.